Magento Hosting 101, tired of Magento? What are the fixes? Magento Hosting is a type of web hosting that is optimized for running Magento, a popular open-source e-commerce platform. Magento Hosting provides features and resources that enhance the performance, security, and scalability of your online store. To get started with Magento Hosting, you need to choose a Magento hosting provider that suits your needs and budget. You can use the web search results to compare some of the best Magento hosting providers in 2024, such as Nexcess, A2 Hosting, HostGator, and more. You can also read their reviews, features, and pricing plans to make an informed decision. Register a domain name for your online store. You can use a domain registrar service like GoDaddy or Namecheap to search and purchase a domain name that reflects your brand and niche. You can also check the availability and suggestions of domain names using instant domain search. Install Magento on your hosting account. Depending on your hosting provider, you may have different options to install Magento, such as one-click installers, manual installation, or pre-installed Magento plans. You can follow the instructions from your hosting provider or refer to the official Magento documentation for more details. Customize and optimize your Magento store. You can use the Magento admin panel to configure your store settings, such as currency, language, payment methods, shipping options, and more. You can also use Magento extensions, themes, and plugins to add more functionality and design to your store. You can find thousands of free and premium Magento resources on Magento Marketplace.